This is part 2 of the practice quiz 7.1 to 7.3. On the first problem, we're asked to solve by elimination. So we look at our two problems. We have a positive 2y and a negative 2y. So what we're going to do is we're going to add these vertically and get 7x equals 35. We then divide both sides by 7. Leaving us with x equals 5. We're now halfway through the problem, and we need to do the second half of the problem. I'm going to use equation 1 to solve the second half of the problem. I'm going to say 5 plus 2y equals negative 1. I subtract 5 from both sides, giving me 2y equals negative 6. Dividing both sides by 2, y equals negative 3. I've now almost solved the problem, but I need to check it. I'm going to check it by using equation 2. 6x minus 2y equals 36. X is equal to 5, y is equal to negative 3. Hopefully that will equal 36. 6 times 5 is 30. Negative 2 times negative 3 is a positive 6. And yes, it does equal. And so my answer is a point, and it is the point 5, negative 3. Our second and last problem on this is solve using any method. We want to say, is it better to use elimination or substitution? Since we have x equaling a number all by itself, substitution is the best choice here. And x therefore equals 5 minus y. So I'm going to take that first equation and I'm going to replace the x with 5 minus y. Now, in this problem, it's going to be very important to distribute the number in front to both the numbers on the back side. 2 times 5 will be 10. 2 times negative y will be negative 2y, and then the remainder of the problem is the same. We combine our y's because they are like terms. That gives us 10 plus 2y equals 28. I'm now going to subtract 10 from both sides. My resulting equation now is 2y equals 18. I divide both sides by 2, and I get y equals 9. I take this answer, and I'm going to plug it back in. I'm going to use equation 2 because it's much easier. X equals 5 minus y, and y is 9. That means x equals negative 4. Fairly straightforward for the second part of the problem. Since we used equation 2 to solve it, we use equation 1 to check it. 2x plus 4y equals 28. I take the value of x, negative 4. I take the value of y, positive 9, and I plug them into the equation. Negative 8 plus 36 equals 28. Negative 8 plus 36 is 28, and so the problem does check, and my answer is negative 4, positive 9. This concludes our review of the practice quiz in section 7.1 to 7.3.